This is a test of the emergency alert system.
We're losing them. Clear.
Okay, this is new. I need everyone on their toes. That car crash really messed him up. So he needs to live for this to work. Scalpel?
Even your test results are really good. I'm so proud of you. Hey there, Kyle. How are you feeling?
My head hurts. Ugh. How long have I been here?
Are you up for some company? Your family's been waiting to see you.
Sure, I guess.
Dr. Davis, telephone, please. Dr. Davis, telephone, please.
Oh, Kyle, my baby.
Hey there, champ.
Thank God he's all right.
Hey guys. I think I'm alright. I'm just really tired. How long have I been here?
Can't believe he's been here a whole week.
A week? Holy crap. The last thing I remember is driving on the freeway and then fighting for control over the ice.
Everything is fine now. You're here. With us.
What the hell?
With over 20 million votes, we are now down to the top 2 performers from around the country. Your votes will decide who the winner this week is on American Idol. As always, we've got our judges. We've got producer extraordinaire Randy.
Yo, what up, dog?
So Randy, what does Kyle have to do to win this competition?
Yo, dog, so Kyle, man, you know, check this out. You did your thing, and that's cool. But you're really gonna have to make a comeback, you know? You're really gonna have to come back. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Next, we have the lovely and talented Paula Abdul. Paula, what are your thoughts on Kyle?
Kyle, you know I am a big fan. I think you are phenomenal. I think you are really talented, and I love watching what you do.
Okay. Last but not least, we have the ever so loved and popular Simon Cowell. Simon, your thoughts on Kyle?
I don't know what happened to you since that accident on the ice. But I think you really need to step up your game. It's obvious that you've given up, and that is not what America is voting for.
Oh, shut up, Simon.
It's true.
No, he's doing a great job considering what he's been through.
Randy was right on. You have got to bring more to the table. It's ridiculous.
Someone get the doctor.
You see?
Imagine, if you will, a place so familiar, yet so strangely different. A place confusing to the mind, but a place so familiar to the mind's eye. Enter Kyle Smith, an ordinary man with an ordinary family. This will all change with a crash through the signpost that reads, The Twilight Zone.
Your vitals are looking very good, young man. Mr. and Mrs. Smith, Your son should be bouncing out of here in no time.
You hear that, Kyle? You'll be out of here in no time. You take all the time you need to heal.
Nurse, isn't there anything you can do about his face? I mean, my God, some kind of operation to put him back to normal.
Yeah, Pop. Why does he look so ugly?
It's all right, Martin. I'll still love him and take care of him, despite his disfigurement.
Information, not your name.
I dreamed at 250 or 200.
What's going on? Why is this happening?
Does anything really need to happen? I mean, your life is about nothing. So a show about nothing is perfectly normal.
I hate hospitals. I feel like I'm gonna catch something.
You know, I dated a guy who was once in a coma for 6 months.
Was there brain damage?
I don't know. I didn't stay with him after the 6th month. Longest relationship I've ever had.
Somebody help me. Please.
Whoa. Hey, buddy, you're stuck here.
Please. Somebody help me. Somebody.
No can do, buddy. Chart here says you're comatose. No telling how long. Hey! Can I have your jello?
What? Dad. Hello? Did anybody hear me? Anybody out there?
Mom, what does Kyle have to do to come out of the coma?
Well, honey, we'll just have to give him a lot of love and make sure we're there for him.
He just has to figure things out.
Dr. Davis, telephone.
Anna, give it to him straight. Kyle has to fight. He's going to have to figure out on his own if he wants to wake up.
Kyle's condition has stabilized, but there was massive trauma to his brain. The good news is we were able to successfully implant the brainwave modulator. That's the device that will keep him from having any seizures while the brain repairs itself. It just came out of the experimental stages, but I think it'll help keep Kyle on the road to recovery.
Oh, everything's looking great so far, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. He should be out of here in no time.
You hear that, Kyle? You'll be out of here in no time.
Will he always have that implant sticking out?
People are gonna notice that.
It's okay. I'll still be here. I don't care about the scars. I just want him back.
Is there anything going on in my son's head right now? The monitors all show nothing, as if everything's perfectly normal.
With this new technology, it's difficult to say. However, in a coma, a patient can still hear and register what's being said.
How long is this gonna last? Longer than 6 months?
What if he does wake up? What kind of damage will there be?
I understand your concern, but the truth is there's no way of telling how long his coma may last. But don't worry, we'll take good care of him while he's here. From what I understand, our lime jello is the best in the country. Now, if you'll follow me, there's some forms I need for you to fill out.